If you put an equal number of bees and flies in a bottle and then place the bottle horizontally with the opening away from the light, then the bees will never be able to get out of the bottle, but the flies will very easily get out of the bottle. Why? Because the bees are very intelligent and they know that the opening will be somewhere from where the light is coming. But the bees don't understand glass. So what they do is they keep banging against the glass. But on the other hand, the flies are not so intelligent. They don't have so much, intellectual reasoning. So what they do is they keep flying here and there, and then by chance they find the opening and then they fly away to freedom. So it is the intelligence of the bees that keeps them stuck in the bottle. So here's a question. Are there too many bees doing strategy formulation in companies and not enough flies? And many a times I come across very smart, intelligent and brilliant youngsters who, actually use their own intelligence against themselves, because they can always find out why something can't work, and then they don't do anything. And on the other hand, you have very average people who, don't know that something cannot be done, and that's why they go ahead and achieve great results in their life. So my question to you is, are you using your own intelligence against yourself? That's not a good idea. So think about it. I hope you found the video useful. Yes, then please share it, like it, comment on it, and most important, subscribe to my YouTube channel to keep getting cool videos like this. This is RajivKumarLuv, your friend, your personal coach and guide. I will be back with yet another video. Until then, bye.